Hey y'all, Uncle Michael here. Just to give y'all a quick update of what's been going on. But basically what this video is going to be is a before, a during, and after this snowstorm coming. So as y'all know, I took on this job so I wouldn't get caught in the snow. Well, I'm up here now, so we won't worry about that. But supposedly the snowstorm is going to start at 2 o'clock this morning, and I am in Huntsville, Alabama. Huntsville, Alabama, that's right. And I'm going to show you my current situation. Ready for this? And there's me, and we're delivering product, and as you can see all the way down there, so my line goes to that truck right there and goes to the right and goes back up in there, and there's about 12 trucks. 12 trucks right now. So yeah, there I am, and then those two, and then those two, and around to the right there's about 7 or 8 more. So this is the field that's next to me. It should be good and white tomorrow. Good and white tomorrow. So this is the before, and then we'll have an after in a little bit. Like I said, the storm starts at 2 in the morning. So how y'all been doing? I know y'all saying, where is this joker? What is he doing? Just getting used to the new company. I love it, really. A lot of perks. A lot of perks. Like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video right now, and I will let y'all know what's going on after it snows. See if y'all can see this. Hey, the birds up there. All right, y'all. Take care of yourselves and each other. Love on yourselves and each other. Be kind to someone. I love you. Ain't a thing you can do about it. It's not over until it's over, y'all. Remember that. I'm always here. Talk to you soon. Appreciate you.